Today, we're drawing a cute summer capybara. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Let's start with two cute little eyes. Draw the first oval eye and leave a small white shine spot near the top. Now color in the rest of the eye nice and dark, but keep that tiny shine spot clean. Draw the other eye the same way with the same little shine spot, so both eyes look bright and friendly. Then add two small curved eyebrows above the eyes. Now let's draw the inside shape of the diving goggles first. Start between the eyes and make a soft curved bridge that goes up and around the nose area. Continue that line around one eye, then sweep it across the top and around the other eye. Keep the corners smooth and rounded. Bring the line back down toward the middle so the goggles have that little dip around the nose. This shape should feel wide and friendly. Great! Now we add the outside edge. Follow the same shape around the goggles, leaving a small even space between the two lines. Curve around the bottom, the sides, and across the top. Try to make this outer line smooth, like one soft frame wrapping around the mask. Next, add a small rounded tab on each side of the goggles. These little tabs make the mask look like it can strap on for snorkeling. Under the goggles, draw two tiny oval nostrils. Tilt them just a little so they look soft and cute. From the middle, pull a short line straight down. Then continue from the bottom of that line and curve out to make one side of the smile. Add the other side of the smile, nice and round. Then draw a small curved line underneath for the little lower lip. Now the face already looks happy. Now let's add the snorkel beside the goggles. Start with a small rounded connector attached to the edge of the mask. From that connector, continue downward with a long, smooth curve. Draw the second line beside it, keeping the tube nice and even as it comes down beside the face. Near the mouth, draw a soft, rounded mouthpiece, almost like a little bean shape curving toward the smile. Add a small curved line inside the mouthpiece so it looks like it has a little opening. Now go back to the top connector and continue the snorkel upward. Make the tube tall with rounded corners at the very top. Add one short curved band across the top of the tube and our snorkel is ready for underwater breathing. Now continue from the side of the goggles and draw the cheek going down. Add a few tiny fur points along the side. Then curve the line gently under the face. Now let's build the top of the head. Start from the upper edge of the goggles and curve a line up toward the top of the head. Do the same on the other side of the goggles, so you have two soft headlines rising up. Next, draw the inside of ear first. Keep it small and rounded. Do the same thing on the other ear. Then wrap a bigger rounded line around it to make the outside of the ear. Inner ear first, then the outer ear around it. Now continue from one ear across the top of the head. In the middle, add a few tiny fur spikes for a cute little tuft of hair. Then finish the top of the head by connecting over to the other ear. Great job! The little diver's head is really coming together now. Now let's draw the right hand. Start from the side of the face and curve a line outward for the raised arm. At the end of the arm, draw a small, rounded hand. Keep it cute and simple. Then add a small thumb on the side. Add the little fingers with soft curved bumps. Now let's draw the left hand. Start near the side of the body and pull a smooth, curved line down for the outside of the arm. Next, draw a small hand pointing down, using a few rounded bumps for the fingers. Keep them simple and cute. Nice! Now both hands are done. Now let's draw the body and pull a long, smooth curve down for one side of Capybara's belly. Next, continue from under the left hand and draw the other long curve down to make the other side of the body. Keep both sides soft and round. Now let's draw the legs. Start under the belly and add a couple of short little lines to mark where the legs will go. Then connect the bottom of the belly with a soft curve, so the lower body looks smooth and round. Next, draw the first ankle as a small flattened oval. Keep it simple, like a tiny little cuff. From that ankle, continue outward to make the first flipper. Let the line go down and out, then add a wavy bottom edge before bringing it back up. Add a few long lines inside the flipper for the web detail. Now draw the other ankle with another small oval shape under the body. Continue from there to make the second flipper. Curve it down, give it a soft wavy edge, and bring the line back up to close the shape. Add the inside web lines here too, keeping them long and simple. Now let's add a few tiny details to make Capybara look extra cute. And that's it! Capybara is all finished and ready for a fun snorkeling adventure. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time.